Hello, fellow toy collectors. I'm going to show you guys a newfound toy treasure zone here. This is specifically more for Japanese high-end toys, you know, robots and weird Japanese characters. It's here in a mall called the Up 3, Rama 3. I'll leave a Google Maps link. But I'll just show you what they have. They've been here 4 years now, and I just bought a big Votom's robot. But yeah, I've been living here over 10 years and I never knew about this store. And so I thought I'd just share it with you guys if you guys are coming to the area and you're into this sort of stuff. So a lot of old toys, like look at this Aliens versus Predator thing. 3280 baht, that's less than $100. Last I checked, the exchange rate is like 36 baht is $1. So I'm not going to convert that in my mind. That's too difficult for me. But you can obviously look up the exchange rate and these prices and decide for yourself. So some big motorcycles here by Bandai. Bandai's an awesome company. Here's some cute little figures and stuff. Okay. But yeah, we got some old robots. These are those weird things, like those weird insect men, their heads. Yeah, I don't know what these characters are called, SIC or something. Some tiny Godzilla monsters, some Godzillas. Ooh, there's a nice camera back there. Yeah. Okay. They have some Bandai Gundam stuff, this Dendrobium kit. This is a huge Gundam robot kit. And we have some loose monsters. Okay. Let's go around to this area here. Full on metal Gundam robots. And then these are these Bandai robots of old Japanese cartoon shows. So this is less than 300 bucks. It's gonna be die-cast metal and a bunch of cool parts. I don't know what that is. Let's see if we can find anything really cool. Berserk, I don't know what that franchise is. Here's some Masked Rider. Those are those insect dudes. Full Metal Alchemist is some sort of cartoon. What are these guys? Real Action Heroes. These are like Yakuza gangsters. I'm gonna guess these are like 1/6 or 12-inch figures. Oh, cool. So then we got like a big Venom. I don't know what these are. Real Action Heroes. 12-inch, yeah, so it's 6 scale. I've never seen these before. I'm gonna have to look that up online. Unfortunately, it's in a plastic bag, so I can't open it and see. But ooh, there's a Bruce Lee down here. Enter the Dragon Bruce Lee. What brand is this? Metacom, the guys that make Mafex. So this looks old. I think this is from 2008 based on that sticker. So that's an old Bruce Lee figure. Batman Begins. Yeah, interesting stuff there. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, we got these Transformers. Victory Leo. What is... I don't even know what this is. It's like a lion or something. The Fallen? Some sort of Optimus looking thing. Anyways, so there's a lot of stuff I'm not aware of, obviously. Grandizer, old cartoon stuff, Voltron. What is this guy? Yeah, a converting robot of some sort. Golian Voltron. This is the Voltron I know, where 5 cats become a big robot. So that's an awesome one. 15,000 baht. It's definitely not cheap, but there's a lot of die-cast metal on those. I know that. Okay. Some deformation stuff. What is this? Volt in box. It's huge, whatever it is. Okay. Toy Story. This is like a Voltron of Toy Story characters. I've never knew this existed. So it's all the toys from the Toy Story movies that become a giant robot. That's cool. And if it's Bandai, you know it's gonna be good. Gunbuster. I don't know that one either. Yeah, a lot of funky Japanese cartoon robots. These look like cheaper toys down here. Then we got some master grade Gundam robot kits. Okay. Got some more Gundams there. Now, here's some old Western stuff. Spawn action figures. Todd McFarlane's Spawn. You can just see how yellowed they are. These things have to be at least 20 years old, I imagine. This one has censored stickers all over it. Interesting. We got a lighter that turned into a robot, a Pac-Man. A whole bunch more. Guy King is awesome. I used to have this thing, actually. Yeah, I used to have this a long time ago. That's an awesome cartoon show from a kid. I think the price is cheaper than what I paid for back over 20 years ago when I had that thing. Oh yeah, Star Blazers, boats. Okay, some deformed Mazingers. So they do have this Scope Dog here. I'm not gonna buy that one. I have a different Scope Dog from Yamato. We have some loose figures over here, and then I have some Todd McFarlane dragons up there. More Spawn characters, big dragons. Okay. Some more Master Grade Gundam kits. Some sort of giant box of one of these sick hero things, whatever that is, I don't know. Okay, Final Fantasy VIII character. World of Warcraft toys. You know that's old. I used to actually play that game. Final Fantasy the movie action figures. Star Wars Unleashed. Yeah, some funky Spawn figures. Censored again. And Evangelion. And the Master Rider, those insect dudes with bikes. More robots. A lot of Japanese robots here. Shin Getter. I think I remember that cartoon. Oh, a Mecha Godzilla. It's awesome. A Gamera. Nice. This is some sort of Godzilla movie. Interesting. Get a Robo. Yeah, a bunch of Bandai Getters, so these are good. Oh, and check this out. Nice. Captain Scarlet. This is tempting. Some sort of spaceship from Captain Scarlet, which is an old puppet show by Jerry Anderson, the guy that made like Space 1999 and Thunderbirds. Solar System Exploration Ship. I don't remember this vehicle. Oh boy, there's a shadow vehicle there. And then another Jerry Anderson show. UFO shadow vehicle. It's basically like a snowmobile. One of those things you'd see in the Antarctic. So it's a diecast. Yeah. So, you know this has got to be old. I'm just trying to see how old it is. 2005. Yeah, the TV show's from 1969. So yeah, a lot of old classic toys here. I'm lucky I don't remember these vehicles, because I would probably buy those. Alright. Another Grandizer. Alright, so yeah, if you're coming to the area, you know, I'll leave a Google Maps link. You should come check this out, because they definitely seem to have a lot of old cool stuff that might fit your collection. Alright, well, thanks for watching today. I'll see you in the next action figure video.